Hey everybody, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Marq's free QR code generator in 3 easy steps. Step 1, grab the URL that you'd like to share in your QR code. In this case, I want to share a form that I can put on a flyer for people to use. So I'm going to come over here, grab that URL. I'm going to go back to Marq's tool. And step 2 is populate the URL here in the field and then hit generate. And what you're going to notice is down here below, that QR code got populated. Step 3 is quite simple. Go ahead and hit download. And now you'll have in your downloads that QR code that you can use anywhere you would like. Now, step 4 is optional, but to take that QR code and make something more out of it. So you'll see here, I've got this flyer that I want to send out for a block party. And I had a sign up in that form that now is generated in my QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my images, upload the image, and there it is. We're going to go ahead and hit open. Double click that into my flyer, resize it for the space that I need. Just like that, I've now got a QR code for my print flyer to help physical reach digital with that QR code. Just like that, you can make QR codes with Marq and make more out of them with all of the awesome tools that Marq has to offer. Stay tuned and we'll show you what other awesome things you can do with Marq.